All right, Cal, you can come see. I texted you, I said I got a surprise for you. Take a look under the hood. Take a look under the hood right now. Tell me what you see.
Oh, that's it!
Fuck yeah. You'll notice a couple things though. No battery. You notice anything about the wheels? And the steering rod is bent.
Ooh, that's fucked.
Yeah, I know, eh? It's fucked. But I checked the oil is good.
Steering rod's bent. Oh, good. Craftsman steering.
Yeah, fuck that. I know. It's the one bad thing about it. But we've got an 18 horsepower twin cylinder.
These things sound so good.
Oh, yes. Yeah, Cal, but the problem is she won't start.
No kidding.
Hey, but it turns over nice and freely. I picked this up at a scrapyard. 125 bucks.
Yeah.
It's a fucking diamond in the rough.
I say we do a pull start.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's what I was thinking too. It's got a trailer hitch, eh? This is gonna be my
It's awesome.
It's gonna be my off-road mower. All right, so Kale, let's hook up jumpers to it and see if we can get it turned over. You take a seat on it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. All the room in the world. It's not liking it.
Pull start time.
Yeah, we're gonna weld a pull start on, so let's unbolt these. The good thing about pull starts is when you're in a remote situation like a mud mower would be in, like that thing, you can start it whenever. Yeah. The pressure switch is fucked.
Yeah. Well, yeah, Kale, let's do the normal Lawnmower's Lemonade classic.
All right.
You know what the drill is. We're taking off the deck.
We're gonna rewire it.
Yeah, I'm gonna rewire it.
You're gonna rewire it because you're the wire guy. I'm gonna fix the steering because I'm the steering guy.
Yeah, and we're gonna use force to fix the steering.
Probably.
Yeah. Gail's taking off the screen here so we can get to the thing. Sweet, there we go. Come on. Oh, there we go. There we go. One deck arm is removed. Beautiful. That's the last thing. Pull her on out. Yeah, it's a 12 gauge deck.
Oh, it's the same fucking one as it was on this one. It's the same one that was on that.
Yeah, Craftsman 42 inch. Heavy duty 12 gauge deck right there.
You know.
This thing.
It isn't a 12 gauge. What is it? 16?
Yeah,
10?
Who the fuck runs a 16 gauge deck? Fuck yourself. So that tie rod there. Oh, fuck, the steering arm was like, oh, that's bent. Just like that, the steering is fixed. So this is how we're gonna start the thing. So because the starter's all worn out, you know, it's a pain in the ass. We were welding a top pulley on there, down by that bolt. I think that we should bolt it down, but Kale thinks that we should weld it.
Well, we can raise the hood up.
Or wait, let me try and remove this part.
Yeah,
of the
remove
hood.
this.
1/4 inch on impact.
That's that 1/4 inch on impact. I told you the first time.
1/4 inch on wrench. 1/4 inch on fingers. Right. Get her out of there. I don't know. She's still hitting. Go right ahead. Oh shit. Oh, for fuck's sakes. We can just re-weld that. So because we are putting a pull start on this thing, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all the wires on it. 7/16 on impact. There's the starter solenoid. All right, Kale is going to weld this pulley on. We're gonna make this light switch right here, the kill switch. All I'm going to do is just find the light wires down here. So all you gotta do to turn your light switch into a kill switch is connect one of these to the coil, and then the brown one just the ground, and that'll shut her off when you turn on the lights. So Kale has welded the pulley on top. It's just tacked right now because the welder was giving us some trouble. It's just on there.
It's on there. It's booger welded and it won't hold.
No.
It's almost off.
Kale's working on the steering, I guess. We do have a spare steering wheel for it. I fixed up the wiring, so all you need to do for the kill switch is just take the 2 light cords that are already existing, run one to the ground, so we got the orange going to the frame of the mower, and then the other one is going to the magneto wire that comes out of your engine there. And it's as simple as that. When you turn on the light switch, it'll kill the engine. Get her off of there.
Look, it goes on so good now.
Oh. It like turns up and everything. Alright, so Kale has manufactured a part. It's hard to call that. Yeah. Oh my god. That's way better. Look at that.
It's a bent steering arm. Oh, it's so bent.
Yeah, I know. You didn't know it was bent before?
No, I didn't know it was bent.
Well, look, now you can go.
The mower Bruce.
Oh, that thing is fun. So here's a gas cap from a different gas tank. Look at that, it fits. Kale and I are gonna fix up the hood next. We're naming this mower Bruce, by the way, because the guy I bought it from, his name was Bruce. It seems like a fitting name for this thing too. And we're gonna keep the one eye it has, by the way. Yeah, just bang that. Well, that's worlds of difference. Look at that.
Well, you know, that curved line just turned straight.
Fucking
that's way better.
Sweet.
Zaza. Oh, that's probably good.
All right, Kale has welded up the bracket on there. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Lots of clearance there.
Makes me so happy when you eyeball something and it works.
Yeah. Oh, that's a mud mower. All right. It looks fucking stupid.
Bruce.
Look how much clearance you have down here.
Let's make fucking giant ass headers like Promon headers.
We just went ahead and removed the brakes because we're not going to need them. All right, we're here with Rob. He's gonna finish welding up this sprocket right there.
Just tell me something. Did you have your ground on the pulley when you were welding?
No, I had it on the exhaust.
Good. So you're gonna arc the bearings.
All right, we are going to try and start the mower now. Rob, fix it up for us. Yeah, we might not be getting fuel. Let's spray some brake clean. All right, Cal, give it a shot. Awesome. That thing is perfectly centered. You did a fucking good job on that. So this thing is not getting fuel. We are going to take apart the carburetor.
It's together.
Time to put this back on now, eh, Cal?
So stupid.
All right, let's put some fuel in it, in the lawnmower's gas tank. All right, final test. There's fuel in the tank. Let's see if it'll start.
It's not getting fuel.
It is the next day. The birds are chirping up there. I think last night the lawnmower wasn't getting fuel to the carburetor, so I've just lifted it up so the fuel will run down. I'm gonna take off this thing and I'm gonna spray some brake clean in there and then just pull start it and pull start it and pull start it until I get it going. That's weird. Died out as soon as I throttled it. There we go. Maybe I'll let it warm up a little bit. Let's test out the kill switch. The kill switch doesn't work. Fuck. I don't want to get zapped. There we go. Well, we learned two things. One, kill switch works. Doesn't work. Number two, the engine runs. I'm gonna fix up that kill switch. I don't know what's wrong with it. Alrighty, so it turns out that we had a bad light switch here, and that was not working and not grounding what we needed to ground. So I just reconnected the key switch here, and on position is run, off position is stop. So let's see if we can get this thing started again. It fucking works. Look at that. I think that this thing is ready for a test drive around the lawn. Alrighty, it's all started. Let's see if it drives. First gear. Oh, look at that. It moves. Fourth gear. Hey, we got a machine. Look at this. This is awesome. Oh shit. Can't go down there. Alright, let's see if reverse works. Reverse does work. Actually, I'm gonna clear that out of the way. This thing sounds pretty nice. Quarter and fifth. There we go. Look at that. This thing's awesome. Look at how fast it goes. Let me increase our throttle here. About half throttle. Look at how easily it corners. It's fucking awesome. Beautiful. Max throttle. Oh yeah. Look at it. It runs perfect. I don't know why. I got a pretty good deal on this thing, eh? Good engine, good transmission. Runs like a charm. Oh yeah. I fucking love this thing. Oh, it just climbs up the hill. No problem at all. And there we are. We have officially fixed the lawnmower. Obviously needs a little bit more work. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Get subscribed so you don't miss any new videos, because we are definitely putting some videos with this thing. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.